Extraction of crude metal from the concentrated ore. The concentrated ore must be converted into a form which is suitable for reduction. Usually the sulfide ore is converted to oxide before reduction. Oxides are easier to reduce thus isolation of metals from concentrated ore involves two major steps: conversion to oxide and reduction of the oxide to metal. Conversion to oxide. So calcination involves heating when the volatile metal escapes, leaving behind the metal oxide. राइट, तो जैसे ये कैल्सिनेशन करेंगे तो ये वोलेटाइल है, जिंक कार्बोनेट को करेंगे तो जिंक ऑक्साइड प्लस CO2 ये वोलेटाइल है, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट, सो CO2 इज वोलेटाइल. Then roasting. So in roasting, the ore is heated in a rigorous supply of air in a furnace at a temperature below the melting point of the metal. Some of the reactions involving sulfide ores are: zinc sulfide plus oxygen gives you zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Second, lead sulfide plus oxygen gives you lead oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Then third, copper sulfide plus oxygen gives you copper oxide plus sulfur dioxide. The sulfide ores of copper are heated in laboratory furnace. If the ore contains iron, it is mixed with silica before heating. Iron oxide slags off as iron silicate, and copper is produced in the form of copper matte, which contains copper sulfide and iron sulfide. So FeO plus silica gives you slag. So in the form of iron silicate. सो SO2 प्रोड्यूस्ड इज़ यूटिलाइज फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. जितना भी SO2 आ रहा है इसको सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में यूज़ किया जाता है. देन इज़ द रिडक्शन ऑफ ऑक्साइड टू द मेटल. रिडक्शन ऑफ मेटल ऑक्साइड यूजली इन्वॉल्व्स हीटिंग